Let's take a look at this Practice A worksheet. Solving linear inequalities. Use substitution to tell whether the ordered pair is a solution of the given inequality. Remember, this is just like when we first started doing systems, except there's an inequality symbol instead of the equal sign. So we're just simply going to substitute. Remember, the x is 3, the y is 4. So we have 4 is greater than 3 plus 2. 4 is greater than 5. That is not a true statement, so 3, 4 is not a solution to the inequality of y is greater than x plus 2. Next one, we have y is less than or equal to 2x minus 3. Is 4, 2 a solution? So 2 is the y, 2 is less than or equal to 2 times 4 minus 3. 2 is less than or equal to 2 times 4 is 8, minus 3, 2 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, that is a true statement, so 4, 2 is a solution to the inequality y is less than or equal to 2x minus 3. Last one, 2, negative 1. Y is less than negative x. Y is less than negative x. We're going to y is negative 1 is less than, remembering our parentheses, negative 1 is less than negative 2. And that is not a true statement because negative 1 is actually greater than negative 2, so that doesn't work. Now let's move down to writing an inequality to represent each graph. Remember, we did some of these. So we're thinking of our y equals mx plus b. And we are going to be changing that. So let's look for the b in number 7. So it's at a negative 2. And then let's look at the slope. So we are going up 2 over 2. So it looks like it's a 1x, or just an x. And now we have to figure out, is it greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. It's a solid line, so we have to have that or equal to. And the line is getting shaded above, so it's going to be greater than. And thinking, well, I'm not quite sure, I'm still kind of new to this. Why don't we pick that 0, 0 point? And let's see if it makes a true statement, which means we would have had to have shaded in that area. So 0 is greater than or equal to 0 minus 2. 0 is greater than or equal to negative 2. We would find 0, 0 if this was the statement and shaded up there. So we do have the correct symbol. Let's look at the next one, number 8. We've got a dotted line here. We have a y-intercept of plus 4. We have a y. There's not going to be a solid line. Let's count for slope. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 4 over 2. So that's going to be 2x, and it is below, so we're going to go with less than. Again, we can check it. If it is less than, then our point 0, 0 will make a true statement. 0 is less than 0 plus 4. Oops, less than. 0 is less than 4. Yes, it is correct. We did shade in the correct area, and we did choose the correct symbol. Last one. Looks like it's going through the origin. So I'm just going to put a plus 0 in there for now. It is a solid line. The slope is going down. It's a negative. So let's take a look. Down 1 over 2. negative 1/2 x plus 0, or just negative 1/2 x, it is below our line, which would put it as at a less than or equal to. Y is less than or equal to negative 1/2 x. That would be the simplified one. Now, it goes through the origin. So if we picked 0, 0, we would have 0 is less than or equal to 0, which is true because we have that equal sign underneath. So it does work. If you want, you can pick another point and see if that works as well, or you can pick a point up here and see if it doesn't work.